Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the Johnson Matthey 100-ounce Silver Bullion Bars. Johnson Matthey has a rich history dating back to 1817, when P.N. Johnson set up the business as a gold assayer in London. In 1852, they were appointed the official assayer and refiner to the Bank of England. Today, Johnson Matthey is no longer involved in precious metals refining, having sold that arm of the business in 2014. They now focus on chemicals and sustainable technologies. The majority of these cast bars will have a blank reverse. The obverse features the Johnson Matthey logo, fineness and weight. These bars are known to have toning, which is a natural process for silver, especially with collectible bullion like these. These bars hold a fineness of 0.999 and they contain 100 troy ounces of the precious metal. These bars vary in diameter, but all weigh 3,110 grams. Thank you for watching. For more information on these bars, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.